Post-game press conference. Congratulations to the UE Red Warriors for beating the FU Tamaraws 56-51. The Red Warriors earned their first win of the season. We have Coach Jack Santiago, Gerard Wilson, Ethan Galang, and Refuse Momoe. Coach Jack, after 3 games, you finally earned your first win. So, what can you say with the effort of the boys to pull this through?
Well, I'm glad that the boys responded very well. It's so hard to play with a 0-2 record, but just gave some instruction to the boys that we should stick together. Whatever happens inside the court, we will stick sa game plan. And I'm so happy that even though we're down, nandun pa rin kami dun sa game plan namin.
Thank you. Gerard, you have 10 points, 2 rebounds, and +9. So, games. 16 minutes of action. So, what can you say? 12 minutes for you. What can you say?
I think it's just the hard work that I put in, especially in the off season when I got hurt. A lot of people don't understand how much money, how much hard work I put in just to get back. And I think that's just a testament to it.
To Refuse, you had 12 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 blocks, and 7 points. So, what can you say about your team's effort today? You didn't give up despite your standing right now?
It is a good win, it feels good to bounce back after a loss. I feel like the whole team contributed. So I was bad today, but the team, they step up, so it was a good win.
Thank you. And to Ethan, you had 10 points, including 5 points in the last 25 seconds. So, what can you say? What about your 3-pointer that broke the last gun at 51? What can you say?
I know I was off pretty much the whole game, but in that last minute, it was just keep shooting, keep my head up. Whatever happened in the past can stay in the past. Just keep shooting.
The floor is open for questions.
Coach, one of the players na shaky pa rin from start is si Jack. Di pa man nagre-defense sa shooting, but he starts 4 points in the rebounds, 6 assists. Let's talk about yung work na pinupunti ni Jack. Kahit na sabihin natin maalat yung shooting exercise.
Yeah, given yun, actually last game against UP, he struggled also. But I started him pa rin sa first 5 because knowing Jack, he really wants to help the team. Of course, maybe medyo off siya that night and also this game, but ang hinahanap naman namin yung team effort namin. And I think kahit na hindi siya nakiscore ng masyado sa offense, but I think he helped the team in playing defense.
Coach, after the previous game, you urged your veterans to step up. Ano pong masasabi niya na hindi lang step up yung pinakita nila ngayon, pero pinanalo pa nila yung game despite being down in the last?
Yes, actually, I challenged them for the last few weeks. I'm starting to challenge especially my veterans. Because at the end of the day, di kaya ng Precious manalo mag-isa. Every time he gets the ball inside, if you notice naman, the whole team nakadikit sa kanya. So we need the help from the other players. And I'm directing this to my veterans because sila pa rin yung, at the end of the day, sila pa rin yung magiging big role dito sa team namin.
Coach, you regarded last game as etong laro ko as a must-win for you. You don't want to fall 3-0 they all hold. With this win, it wasn't taking comeback. Do you feel like the boys somewhat turned the corner with this victory na nakahinga na kayo kahit paano?
Yeah, ay lagi kong inaano sa mga boys, I don't care if we lose the game. Ang inaano ko lang is how we play the game. So yung the past 2 setbacks namin, if you notice, we came there very flat yung first quarter namin. tumatrabaho lang kami kang third and fourth quarter. But ang difference lang ngayon is we started very strong sa first quarter. We dictated the game right away, and we sent a message to FPU that we want to win.
Can you talk about how much boost that first 3-point shot that I game was for you? Hitting that and then following that up with another 3 to take the lead. Can you just talk about how struggling for most of the game, then hitting that, and then having that confidence again to take the main shot?
I mean, as soon as I see the ball going, I just feel like, okay, now I'm in my groove. My confidence is high at that point, and I feel I can shoot anything I want, but I'm not going to do that because coaches going to get mad. But, my first teammate would always be something to get me going. I think as a shooter, not only speaking for myself, but as soon as you see the ball going, it's just going to boost your confidence really high.
Actually, just to add to that, we're down by 3 points, and I told him, he struggled the whole game. Then I told him, lapitan ko siya, and binulungan ko, sabi ko, if it's wide open, take the shot. And he said yes.
I just follow up on that, and I guess, how does that feel, like, have that green light for coach, anytime, even if they're struggling from the field?
Great. It was spectacular, but I just want to share the love sometimes, and as soon if I can get an open shot, cool. But if I see a better shot from my teammates, I'm gonna give it to them.
Coach, sabi mo pa, in-urge mo si Ethan to take that last or those 3 quarters kapag even. So siguro sinasabi mo about the trust that you have in Ethan during the whole game?
Well, actually, lahat naman yung mga yan na natitiwala tayo. Sometimes na pag nag-use sila ng couple of shots, tendency is, instead of playing the usual, nagbabago eh. But yun nga kanina, down by 3 kami. Less than 2 minutes, nilapitan ko siya, sabi ko sa kanya, pag wide open, take that shot. Kasi the whole game, he struggles talaga dun sa 3 points niya. And I'm so glad that he responded very well.
So now you finally earned your first win, Coach. So what we can expect from you guys, and as the tournament progresses, what can we expect from you?
Well, I hope this game will give us more intensity and aggressiveness, especially we're gonna play the number 1 team, which is the LaSalle on Sunday. So again, we'll see if my players will respond again.
To the guys, okay, your next game is against LaSalle. What can we expect from first impressions? What can we expect from you against LaSalle? They're the number 1 team right now.
We expect to win. It's a good. It's going to be a good matchup. They have a great players. They have KK. So we're gonna fight. That's what we do. So hopefully we get the win. So yeah.
Of course, we believe in ourselves. We expect to win, but one thing I promise is, win, lose, or draw, it doesn't matter. When you do the Warriors, we're gonna fight. I don't care if we're down 20, 10, 5. I don't care if we're up 10, 50. It doesn't matter. We're gonna fight no matter what.
Definitely gonna keep pushing. I don't care if it's down by 10, up by 20. We're still gonna give it everything we got. And this next game, I know it's a big one, but don't expect us to roll over, and we're just gonna keep pushing.
Congratulations, Coach Jack and the players.
Thank you.
See you next week.